Welcome in, welcome in. Hey, fun.
Shining stars too. Epcot, are you ready to shine? I don't believe you. Are you ready to shine? All right now, Joyful, you ready to shine? Yeah. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shining star for you to see, but your life can truly.
Shining star.
Shining star for you to see, but your life can truly.
Listen, when you wish upon a star, your dreams will take you very far.
Hey guys, welcome in. I bring in the festivities. Happy December. Yeah, get it. Yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys.
Not only Kwanzaa, but self-determination.
You are so right, Tori. And we hope you come back beginning December 26th, when we'll share more songs with you in celebration of Kwanzaa.
So as you can see, when we come together to talk about our differences, we have a lot to offer. So, as we sing one last final Christmas song, it is our hope that each of your lives will be filled with the light of love, hope, and joy. Joyful, joyful Lord, we adore thee. God of glory, Lord of love. Hearts are full like flowers before thee. Hail thee as the Son of love. Let the clouds of sin and sadness drive the dark cloud down away. Give us me more gladness, fill us with the light. Oh, fill us with the light. Oh, fill us with the light of day.
Season greetings, Naaman. show, guys. Drummer. Hey.
enjoy the rest of your day here at the Epcot International Festival of the Holidays. We'll see what they do, but remember, wherever you go, whatever you do, spread joy.
Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. I enjoyed that. All right, guys, welcome in. That was such a delightful surprise, don't you think? Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. How is everybody doing? Woo! That's a big Christmas tree over there. All right, so if you're just joining us, we are at Disney World Epcot. They have a Christmas festival going on right now. So you guys know I'm gonna bring you around. We're gonna eat some Christmas food treats, and I'm gonna show you on what's going on today. Look at all of that. Nice coffee cup. You're about to eat dinner, Ben? Big up yourself. Oh wow, make it in festival. That is good. Me not eat yet. Me gonna get something to eat here. Walk and look around and see what they got already. There's a tree. That is such a tall tree. Yeah. But the park is full today. I was not expecting to see so many people here. It's packed. I'm excited. You know them always have festival Agwan, and this is one of my favorite parks to come when they have their festival because the variety. I love it. Everything tastes good. Tree at all, man. Have an angel on the top. Yay! Look at that. Get a screenshot of that tree. Nice.
Stop. I want a picture with him.
And I want to get some hot chocolate. I heard here have some of the best hot chocolate, so yeah, I want to get one of that. Guys, look at the tree. Jesus. It's a nice tree. Let me get that screenshot good. Hold on. Wow, the angel on the top. That is nice.
Where are you going? Let me take a picture with you.
Take a picture. It had to be a screenshot.
Oh, you're not. Sorry.
Because it's nice. Such a beautiful day. It is cool. Everybody in them coat, jacket, and everything. But yeah, me just hungry more than anything else. I'll walk and see what they have here. Sweets. Ooh. Let's see. Let's check the menu. You know me always have to show you the menu. Cookies, Snicker cookies, mocha cookies. Freezing. But I'm excited to see what them have. That's how I did the sweet treat. Me not ready for no cookie and them something. They have food me want right now. Food, so I walk around and see what else them have.
Watch out, baby doll, okay?
Yeah, but I'm gonna try the. Me not really a fancy cookie right now. I want the chocolate, hot chocolate. Cheese that have a nice. Hola, better name. Wagwan Sharon, how you doing? Flip. Turkey. Turkey. And what is that? A food that? It's a no. It's a no. Wagwan. Pick up yourself in a Sharon. Everybody eat dinner already? Cause you don't know say. I food me a defend. The lines them long.
Salmon.
Alright, let me see. Peppermint. Wagwan Nisha. Where they all look food? Wagwan palette. See where them have so beef, peppermint, the cookies them man. And a time for cookie at food we want. Food we want, guys. Let's walk. We just they had a Christmas show, a concert. There was a whole banner, everything. Them joyful singers. It was so good. So if you don't want, you can watch the live replay after this. I'm gonna post it. Let's see what else them have. Sear salmon, beef. Jesus Christ. The salmon don't look bad. What do you think? I don't know. Yeah. All right, we'll get something from here. So, guys, the sear salmon for me. And all right, so sear salmon with butternut squash puree, maple bourbon glaze, and fennel arugula salad. Jesus. Aye. I salmon alone, like, yeah, but there's something there. I'm at Epcot. Them have a festival of the holiday where they have all like the Christmas food.
I'm right here behind you.
Where them have all like the Christmas food and thing. So I hear some me come now for. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So yeah. You need I know right? But me can't get it right now, so me just have to work with what me have here. That's in Florida.
Wow, those two were the best.
Very, very popular.
Food was a must definitely. Thank you, Sharon. Big up yourself. Watch the replay. Yeah, so we're in our line right now, and
I think you guys are counting something.
I will get the
No, I didn't have that one.
I think I want the salmon. It alone look like it would have full my belly kinda. Seared. Seared salmon.
Look at the beef.
All right, yeah.
Are you getting it or not?
Yes.
If you're starving.
Pick up on yourself, guys. Y'all do y'all dress like that. Mufflers. I am so. You know, say I'm still a little bit chilly because I feel like I could have layered up a little bit more. A little bit more, but I'm okay. New friends who are going. Can we see the animals? We're not at Animal Kingdom, but my Animal Kingdom vlog, the live tour, it's posted on the channel as well. You can watch the live replay. Yeah, me have to make it work, Brooklyn. You know, we have to work with what we have until we get what we want. Oh. So yeah. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Yeah, we're gonna try some Christmas stuff. I'm showing you one over here. So Cindy, wagwan.
Beef and salmon.
And then I give me a little bit of food, you know. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Jesus Almighty Christ, me done. No, we're not gonna do this. Me done.
I'm already
Guys! Screenshot. Almighty. Alright. God of grace. Uno see this?
Yeah. As soon as he wakes up. Find a table. If I pay the sugar high before Daddy picks him up.
Mother's life. Wagwan. Uno see wagwan, so guys? Screenshot. Me have to go catching up somewhere so we can eat.
back up your second flag on the left.
Next time, make sure you're weird. Oh wow. Me like it. Kind of salt. Kind of salt. It's very small, guys. Am I selling those hoodies like the one you got? You like this hoodie? We don't always like the stuff that we wear over here. Okay. I guess I did the stick it on. Coming up, stick it on strong enough.
Which one was your favorite instrument that we saw? What did you say? Mine was the violin. I like the guy with the violin.
It's full of flavor, eh? This one has so much flavor, the beef. Woo. You taste the saltness in this? Maksudnya anami. It look nasty. It tastes good. It tastes good. Big up yourself. Thank you for the love. Oh, Texas. I've never been to Texas Roadhouse, you know. But I've been to Longhorn though. Big up yourself. Thank you. Watching from Portugal. I like it. It's cool. We're eating fried chicken. But I eat 10 more of them, yeah. Almighty. I could walk and find something else to eat.
Oh, okay.
That's why. Did you do some other cooking for Thanksgiving? I only have one channel. Oh, you see me on other channel? If you see me on other channel, make me know, because I know me. Appetizer that true. It was so good. Epcot has a Caribbean section. Yeah, them have African countries, especially when they have the other food festival. then come out. Oh, for the food truck. No, we not cook nothing else yet. No, we just have this one channel. No new friends. We put everything on my channel. So when everything drop, any updates or whatever, it would be here. Over here, so them have a chocolate or no?
Yeah.
So why line up is so long? Jesus Christ. Peppermint latte. Oh, that look good. Oh, it's not bad. Hot tea or chocolate, yes. Welcome in, guys. Big up yourselves. So we're gonna get the famous hot chocolate right now. Them say yours are one of the best hot chocolates, so I think so as well. Cause it plays cool. Thank you for the thumbs up. Everybody with a thumbs up your life. Appreciate it. They have ginger tea. No, sir, I don't see that. Them have chocolate, coffee, double espresso latte. Anyway, all of them look something there. And them have a new latte peppermint, but me just want the hot chocolate. Me very simple. Me don't want all of that extra stuff. But yeah, anybody who did say that salmon the appetizer, it is true. I agree. Your food better than Fox. Fox. But when they are so we just go and enjoy the festivities and thing. The Christmas, them did have a concert earlier. Guys, in case you missed that, that was so good. Live concert. What are we have to ring in the Christmas vibe? What flavor of chocolate? A chocolate have a flavor. I think it just plain. Me no know. A chocolate have different flavor. Me never know about that. Me just know about one flavor. My friends say I send me go research now. Tasha! Hola! Anybody else can tell me if a chocolate have other flavor? Alright, so the one I want to tell you, so them have. Hi, hi. Hold on, guys. It's not bread. It's a muffin. And them have chocolate muffin, chocolate chip. That look like pecan panet cookie and them something there. Where we at today? We are at Epcot. Them have a Christmas festival, like Christmas food, Christmas thing, big concert. Just go and you miss it. Oh wow, that's crazy. You can catch it on the live replay though. But it was so much fun. All right, come over here. So on we it. Oh wow. Okay. The oh gets me every time. You see, these are fly past and me not like that. So now we just are wait, yeah. Look upon the board. Yeah. man. Personalized, period. Yeah, me want my name for the pan the cup. Like we're not at Starbucks, but I want to see my name on the cup. That is why I'm here. I want to feel you know personalized. Yeah, and make it fancy too. Make it in a cursive. Make it in a cursive. I want the look out, you know. God Almighty Christ. Guys, wanna look at door. Tell me what can go so? Screenshot. What can go so? I saw many name for true. They have a show that's gonna start, so of course I'm going to bring you guys to watch the show. It look like we're early, so we'll make sure we get a front seat. Yeah man, pull up on a chair, get me say me never ready for this. So right now this is our name and this is what we're working with. Okay, screenshot. 5 and your one spell like that, look there. Have it come down. Screenshot. You know the screenshot is coming. Jesus Lord. Bad to bad. The hot or cold? I want to feel like me they are foreign, you know, with the cup and my name on it. Let me try again, hold on.
Ah, foi assim que você fez, né? Você fica me matando ali pra trás. Eu não sabia que tinha feito.
Então, é só fazer 2 vezes, ele não sai.
Seductive walk on, welcome in. Robert, big up yourself. We spoke about this already. We're not doing this again. Look how they spell my name. That's the first red flag. We are trying a chocolate and we are trying Wally Patit. Not the new things. How can you mess this up? No, me see why Starbucks so expensive, because you get what you pay for and you get what you want. Wow, it's craziness. You ate it? Yes. And it come like say we not get nothing. We get one little salmon with one puree pumpkin something. You know, name kind of sound away, but tastes good. Big up yourself, Stacy. And I want beef something, one beef stew. You know bad. When can watch the live replay, alright? When I go see it. We are go walk. Yeah, make a walk. Yeah, we have time. Ah, Jesus, Starbucks charge too much for the small cup of coffee. But at least then get your name right. And that is what we want. We need we name and the cup to spell right. That is the whole purpose. Oh, guys, me have to show you the view. Look, the man. Beautiful, no? Oh, no, can swim? Are you near Canada? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. When you can swim or when you like bathe, I know you would allergic if you don't come too close to the water. I not really bring them too close. I understand. Wagwan Bill. But it's so nice here. Aww. Vibe. Struggle real. That's my name, guys. My no name Shen. When you can't have no clothes from me. Yep, from China. That's my name now. I can't hear anything. Too much greasy stuff. I'm feeling nauseous. You sick? Yeah, breathe. Yeah, breathe for Christmas. Seductive of that. Yeah, breathe, man. Yeah, go have twins. Wow. What a time to be alive. Merry Christmas. Christmas come early, man. Tami, will you be able to do a Tami, will you able to do a video for Christmas this year? What kind of video? What do you mean? I want to know go want me send me for work, 32 minutes. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. My condolences. Why you wanting me to know my limit, And one thing me don't know my limit, me I tell you the truth. Me never did expect if you say that. Watch Alice in Wonderland. Me mama. I'm so sorry. I apologize. Ah, Alice in Wonderland. That's nice. Very cutesy. All right, seductive. Jesus, that heavy door. That heavy. Yeah, that was Alice. Alice in Wonderland. Aww. A human being. Then dress her up like real life Alice in Wonderland. They're cutesy. I gotta stop trying new things, them do that. That's my problem. I stick to what we know, right? In 2025. Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm good now, new friends. Thank you. I know. As no, sometimes I can't feel certain things, so that's why I not like talk too much sometimes. Because yeah, man, my spirit strong. So sometimes I just limit, Where are you now? Okay, guys, we are at Epcot. And they are having a Christmas. Oh, what drums and something are going? They're having a Christmas festival right now. Me know, man, seductive. Me know. I know. They're having a festival of the holidays. That's what it's called. So them have all of the Christmas food and treats and all that stuff. So we just a walk around and a try, you know, taste and buy, and then get we name wrong. Creme de safoum. Roti, no. It's a no for the roti. Chocolate caramel, I don't know. Little Disney. I'm from India. Oh, big up yourself. All my people from India. You know how much people me have from India watch me? 10%. 10%. Thank you. Yes, you have to tell us what to eat when we visit India. Like top 2 food you recommend. And I don't want to hear curry or roti. How them have over here so make this a line here so long? Guys, any which part you see long line, you know? You know say the food tastes good. The food tastes good.
You see him? Let's be sure.
This what you wanted?
Yeah. Only pepper thing I want. Oh, the pepper, is it pepper shrimp? I am coming to India to try Hyderabadi. Jesus Christ, the name about me. Where? This is an Indian. Guys, which part of these buildings, like buildings similar to this place? Where is that? Tangerine Cafe. I like this. It's such a vibe.
Hi guys.
We're touring. Sweet. Oh, sweet but with pepper. Oh, you like pepper food? Spice roadside table. Let's see. House-made hummus. Jesus. Spiced lamb. Ooh, I love lamb, you know. But I rather lamb chop. Spicy shrimp. Who did I talk about spicy? No. Morocco carrot. Oh, look at this beautiful building. Lately, that's all they can eat. Guys, look there. I think we've arrived.
What else?
I think we have arrived. What do you think? See what they got. Grilled kebab. Spiced lamb. Stone baked Moroccan bread. Screenshot Aladdin Arabian Night. I know, right? We don't want to tour the place? Yes, why not? Arabian Night, let's go. We're there India now. I mean, macaroon. Jesus. There is a gallery here. And it is so beautiful. Let me show you. Oh, start here. Let's start here. Make sure I'm showing everything because sometimes I move fast. Look at this. If people want to take photos, they come here too. Wow. But I don't want to do that. But you see the vibe? I love it. It's nice. Pretty cool. And the lights. Down to the T. Me say, I'll know the name pan the cup aggrieve me. I'll know.
Oh, there it is. It's this. Oh, it's this. It's the reef.
Wow. Oh wow, guys, look up here, so these buildings are so detailed, so much work. Restaurants. See the magic carpet there, Arabian Night. See the magic carpet there, yeah? All right, now. Beautiful. Oh, what is a genie lamp? A genie lamp this? Very, very detailed, very demure. I know, right? Very. So true. But yeah, that was so nice. One thing I love about Epcot, it has all the different countries, a representation of what the countries look like. You know, not identical, but at least some similarities, just so you have an idea of the look and the feel. And even the henna tattoos and them stuff there, you can get that done as well. And they have Canada, they have China. I think we're going over China or Japan. Let me go close and see. And they said demure. That is the word of the year. Fox. Very. It finished strong. The hot chocolate that tastes look better now because it's not so hot again. Like everything simmer. But when you see that building, the one where I walk towards. You see that vibe. Anybody love Asian food? Korean food? You know, Japanese, Chinese, all that works. Like sushi and stuff. Oh, look at the Chinese dolls! Very pretty. Oh, wow. Normally them have drummings over here, but it look like they not have no show now. Or it I go stop because I don't know everybody stand up like them and wait on the show for that.
You're standing next to her.
Rice and curry that would in a wrist. So they even have like the miso soup and all of that stuff. Ooh. May I forgot show you this.
Is that the line for the candlelight?
Yeah, that's candlelight.
Oh, like they're gonna start a show soon. Oh, they're having a show. Oh my God, guys, we're late. We're late. Oh my God.
I find happiness in sharing my family and cultural traditions, curious new friends, like all of you. Hey, because of my time with you, my wish has come true. I've spoken for too long. I must get back to selling my Daruma dolls. But before I go, I leave you all with this wish. Minasan dozo, oyo toshi okai desu. They are those eyes we painted in each and every year, and all your wishes come true. Happy New Year, everyone. I need one. Daruma's for sale.
Woo! Aw. Wow, that was nice. Well, at least we catch some partai, right? We catch some partai. That was cool. Want to see the fishes? I love it here. It is so peaceful. But you see what I'm talking about? Like Epcot, it have all these areas where them transform a section to represent like a country or a different culture. This is what I love. It just feel like it has the essence of there, you know? And they all have restaurants where you can try food from there and all of that good stuff. It's good. Love it. They normally have the drummers that come out and play, but it look like them not play today, or them already play earlier. But it's a lot going on. You know, I always give a grand tour of everything, guys.
ضيعوا يومهم كله على يعني. You know what that's called?
Stop. Nobody can tell me I'm in China. Nobody. Screenshot. We don't know already.
It's not that bad. It's like $35.
I was doing my training class.
Like them have a concert I go on. I know, right? The place nice, man. I love it here. So festive. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap up here now. Big up on yourself. Happy December 1st. You know, stay festive, stay in the Christmas spirit if you celebrate that. If not, that's fine too. You know, hope everybody have like great happy Sunday. If you not eat ice cream yet, eat some ice cream. If you place cold one day, drink some tea. And yeah, continue to enjoy yourself, you know, spread love, spread light, spread blessings. Kindness is free.
Can update your soul.
You know, be nice and have a blessed weekend. Okay, bye.